Is that fun, Max? Oh my goodness. Buddy. Hi. Who's that? Who's that, Max? Whee! Woo! Hi, buddy. Max, what do you think, Gizmo? Yeah.
It's his first day out. Hello. It's your first day out.
Yeah. Hi, Max. Who's that? Oh. Here's our friends at Greta Roost. Hey.
There's Italian ice right there.
Oh, so spicy. So pretty. Let's look at that beak. Hi, buddy. There you go. Who's that? Is that a cousin? Yay! Back, back, back.
Nope. It's mid-morning nap time, yeah.
Oh, that was a sweet hello. Yeah, Eclipse is here. Yeah, I love her feathers. They almost feel more like hair than feathers.
Yeah,
Just the way she
very
falls.
soft.
Yeah. Today, little parrotlets. So tiny. So tiny.
Fuzzy Bear, you look so small against Max. Yeah? Yeah? Yeah, you guys ready for it? Are you ready for Palooza?
Yeah. Hello, Max. Is that your little friend? Yeah. Corky's fun-sized.